Let us see how to use ThinkStudio to set formula into a cell. Drag and drop workbook open action from activities. Drag and drop set cell formula action from activities. Stitch all action nodes into a task workflow. Set workbook path property of workbook open action. Set cell value property of set cell formula action where you want to apply formula. Set formula of set cell formula action. Here we are using sum formula. Set workbook name property of set cell formula action. Set worksheet name property of set cell formula action. Click Run button from toolbar. You can see the formula is applied successfully.